Welcome and welcome back to my channel, everyone. In this video I share with you the new method I use to prepare vegetable soup in 2025. We all notice that ugu, known as vegetable leaf, is super expensive. Even for families, it's hard to cook plenty vegetable soup. Well, in this video I will be sharing with you other delicious and healthy leaf you could blend with ugu to make it in 2025. So keep watching as I show you all my ingredients. So let's dive into making it, everyone. All right, so this is one of the vegetables. This vegetable is known as hospital is not far, or hospital is close vegetable leaf, and it's super healthy, very healthy compared to ugu leaf. Keep watching because I'm going to show you how I prep it. And here is the water leaf I will be using for this combination. And then to go with, I have goat meat beef, everyone. Then my isan known as prewenku. This together give your vegetable soup a very healthy and delicious taste. Now let's begin with prepping the cow skin known as pomo. So how do you wash your cow skin? For me, I always use the knife to scrape inside those bad and bad looking colors, and sometimes I use iron sponge. So you can make do with iron sponge if you don't know how to use knife. So after scraping this, I'll give it a thorough wash and then cut them into smaller sizes I prefer for my soup. So keep watching. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you are returning, thanks for returning back. Now for the fish, I'll be using banla. Banla is super affordable, and depending on how you prepare it, it also comes out well for the soup. So keep watching because I'm going to be sharing with you how I prepare all of this to make the soup a delicious one. So to prep the banla, simply remove the head, then open it into two parts and remove the middle bone. Do this for all until all the banla is done, and then give it a proper wash. So in a clean pot, I will transfer the beef. Now I'll be adding both the banla fish in this pot, so I can cook it and allow the ingredients, the seasoning, the pepper, the onions to really get into it, and the garlic, so it's become tasty, because ordinary banla does not have any taste. So by the time you take your time to cook it properly with other recipes, other ingredients you're using for the soup, allow it to cook properly. It allows the ingredients to really enter inside the seasoning, everyone. So after putting this and allowing it to simmer, I just go ahead and take my turning stick, stir it and combine. You notice that it has enough water, so I won't be adding more. I will just allow it to cook properly. So now for our hospital not the fat leaf, or hospital is not fat leaf, you see what it looks like. So in case you want to plug this in from the stand, or you want to get it from the market, you know exactly what you're getting. So to wash to clean it, I just go ahead and wash, and while washing it, I make sure I open it properly, because sometimes you see green insects sticking to it. And always make sure you add some salt to it while washing. So after washing, you just cut it the same way you cut ugu leaf. You can see it is super easy to cut, but what time do you add this into your soup? Because ugu tends to have a stronger texture, while this one does not have. This one is soft in texture. So keep watching because I will also show you when to add this into the soup. Is it before ugu or after ugu? So at this point, the soup has really cooked to the point that I'll be adding the water leaf. So at this point, I just go in with the already chopped water leaf off camera. To that, I add my crayfish, my yellow chili pepper and onion, and then with palm oil, use yellow chili pepper according to your taste, and I'll cover this and allow it to cook for 5 minutes on a medium to high flame. And then after 5 minutes, you go in and stir. You notice that everything has blends together, and the water leaf, as the name implies, has really produce enough water. So to this, I just added the periwinkle, and I will be allowing it to cook for just 2 minutes because it doesn't take time to cook. And after 2 minutes, I will go ahead and add ugu leaf. Now the reason I'm adding ugu leaf first is because, like I told you, the texture is a bit hard. So I will add it and stir it for 60 seconds, and then I will go ahead with the hospital no dey far. Our hospital is not far. This is it. Now the reason we're adding this to the soup is because so that the soup become plenty, and this leaf is also super healthy. You can also cook just this leaf and water leaf together. It comes out like vegetable. So after stirring all together to blend within a 60 seconds, our soup is ready. Go on and turn off the flame and dish it out, and our soup is done ready. It can be eaten with any swallow of your choice: fufu, iba, amala, even starch can go with this very well. So thanks for watching, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this simple method. And then don't forget to like my video and share it to your friends and family, and don't forget to watch the ad because it's another way you support my channel. Don't forget to drop your comments at the comment section down below. All right, stay safe, stay connected. See you all in my next video, and bye for now.